Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have two special treats for you. I have two different door hangers that we're going to create. Here I've got some different picks from Walmart, Dollar Tree, and I think I got the greenery from Hobby Lobby. I got a variety of ribbons, 2.5 inch and 1.5 inch from Craft Outlet, Sam's, Hobby Lobby. And then I have this cute grapevine elf feet, and I think it is so cute. So first we're going to make a bow. And I do want to apologize. I am a little under the weather. I have a sinus infection, so I do sound quite nasally. I'm going to try to not talk this whole video, but I'll have some music for you guys to listen to here and there. So I'm going to start with this 2.5 inch ribbon, and this one is from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm going to go ahead and just dovetail it, and then I'm going to start it with, I think it was 8-inch tails. Now as you see, the ribbon is upside down when I make that initial loop at just about 5.5 inches. So I take it and I twist it one more time, and it allows you to have the print right side up. And then I go ahead and make another loop on the other side, same size, about 5.5 inches, with an 8-inch tail. Now you don't have to dovetail while you're doing it. I thought I would just do it. I did end up going back and trimming some of it off of the tails later, and you can see. So really it just depends on what you want to do. So I really like this ribbon. It's from Craft Outlet, and if any of you know of Mackenzie Child, this is like a Mackenzie Child inspiration ribbon, and I love it. Absolutely love it. And then here I am just doing the same 2 loops on each side at 5.5 inches, and then once I do the other ribbons, I start going down to 5 inches and 4.5 inches. So I'm gonna let you watch the rest of making the bow. So what I'm doing here is finding a couple of places that I can put my pipe cleaner through right on both sides of that the grapevine part, and this will allow me to attach the bow and it would stay real secure. The first side went in pretty easily. The second side I had a little trouble, and you'll see here in a minute that I actually had to get a pair of scissors and cut like a small hole, and it finally allowed the pipe cleaner to go through. So once I have that attached, then I'm just going to take and fluff out my bows. And this is where you see that I start trimming the tails down a little bit. They were a little longer than I had wanted them to be. And that's one reason why I cut my tails long at 8 inches, because then it allows me to trim it versus me cutting it at a smaller length that I think I would like and it not working out. I've had that happen as well. And then from here, I'll just attach some greenery and some berries, some of those picks that you saw me add. You saw me with at the beginning. Alright, that's number one, and we'll see that in just a minute. So I saw this really cute Grinch sign from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off, so it was like $5. It's supposed to be a door hanger. And then I got some of these picks from Walmart, and then I have just a couple of ribbons that I used in the previous door hanger, and I'm going to use for this as well. And because this is such a thick sign, I just put a couple of staples on that pipe cleaner. Excuse me, and I attach it down. Now here I've got that thing that hooks it to the that you can hang it from, and I was just trying to figure out what to do with it. I didn't have my little screwdrivers and stuff there, so I was just trying to see what I could do with it. And then here's me being OCD, where what I should have done was put my folded my pipe cleaner first and then put the staples down, but I put the two staples down and then I tried to pull it to make it even, and I broke the pipe cleaner, so I just attached another one. So, like I said, these bushes are actually from Walmart, and this wreath really only took like two of those bushes, not even a full two of those bushes. But here I'm gonna make a bow, and I'm gonna make the wreath. Everything else is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch the rest of this video in peace. Okay, so that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys so very much for spending some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please subscribe, comment, and like below. And I hope that you guys have a very blessed week.